The Hiligaynon word tago means to hide. Tago. Tago. Nagpanago siya sa likod sang kahoy. It means he or she hid behind the tree. So likod means back and then kahoy is a tree. So nagpanago siya sa likod sang kahoy. Nagapanago ang bata sa imo. It means the child is hiding from you. A bata is a child. Sa imo is from you or to you. Panago. So nagapanago ang bata sa imo. Taguon ko ang kwarta. It means I will hide the money. So kwarta is money, ko is I. So taguon ko ang kwarta. Kinahanglan naton magpanago diri. We need to hide here. So panago is like to hide, diri is here, naton is we. So kinahanglan is like a need. So kinahanglan naton magpanago diri. And that is all for the Hiligaynon word tago, which means to hide. Tago.